Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making some banana fritters, and the ingredients that I will be using are ripe bananas, sugar, flour, vanilla, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, salt for taste, and I will be using milk as well. And the complete ingredients is in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So I am now crushing my bananas before I add the other ingredients. I'm done crushing my bananas, so now I'll add vanilla and the ground cinnamon, also the nutmeg and the sugar. So I am using a small amount of sugar because my bananas were very overripe, and the riper they are, the sweeter they are. And I don't have a sweet tooth, but if you have a sweet tooth, you can add more sugar to yours, okay? So I will now add my flour, and I will be sifting my flour. You don't have to, but this is just my preference. Now I'm going to incorporate everything together so I can have a nice batter for frying. So I have to loosen this batter a bit, so I am adding milk to loosen the batter. You can add water, but my preference is milk. this is what the batter should look like, and this is the consistency that you should have. And now it's time to fry, so I'm going to set this aside and add some oil to my pot on a medium heat. My oil is now hot, so I'm going to drop the batter into the oil, and the size of the batter depends on the spoon that you use to drop them. And another thing that you should take note of is the oil. You don't want a boiling oil because you don't want your fritters to burn the minute you drop them into the oil. These fritters will take no more than 4 minutes to fry, but I am frying each side in intervals of 1 minute. I will now remove the fritters from the oil and set them on a paper napkin so that they can drain the excess oil. So there you have it, some nice golden banana fritters. You can have this for breakfast, or you can have this as a dessert. You can sprinkle sugar on top. You can eat it with ice cream. But today, I will be eating mine with some eggs for breakfast. And I know you would like it, whichever way you choose. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and cook with love always.